Welcome to the series of Python for absolute beginners. Welcome to the first lecture of our Python series, and today I'm going to give you some basic introduction about the language, the programming language Python. Python is a high level programming language, which means it is made to be easily understood by humans also. So, for a person who is new to programming or not very experienced about computers and such stuff, Python will be a very easy language to start learning programming. For those who are completely new to this, let me make it very simple for you. A programming language is the language which we use to instruct computers about what we want them to do. For example, if I want to teach a person something, I might instruct them in English or any other language that the person is able to understand. But when I want to instruct something to a computer or explain a topic to a computer, then I will have to use a language which that computer can understand. Such languages are called programming languages here, as we can make computer programs using that language. So, for example, Java, C, C++, Python, Ruby. I hope the basic idea is clear now. On the next lecture tomorrow, what we will do is we will discuss about the most basic function in Python, the built-in print function. What it does is that it displays any text, number or any other kind of data on the screen. Like here I have written hello world and it is displayed on the screen. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.